here, here, and here. I'm going to use again multi-cursor functionality, view, and pass string, the view name. But we're going to also pass the folder name, so it cannot found views like this inside resources views. The views are inside node folder. So now whenever I type node.show, node.edit, it's gonna resolve those views. So I'm going to save this, and now let's have a look. Reload. Now this is inside h1. Now this is inside h1 as well, and we can check the page source as well. As you can see, this is very basic HTML. It doesn't have layout, it doesn't have doctype HTML, head, body, etc. The same thing happens on every road what we have just described. I want this to be rendered inside the body, and there's a special variable for this. To output all kind of variables inside the blade, we're going to use double curly braces. Okay, so inside double curly braces, we're going to output the variables, and the special variable for the view content is called slot. So this is the place where I want the view content to be output. Now let's open index plate, for example, and I'm going to change this div into x-layout, using which now this tells Laravel that, hey, there's a component called layout. Let's use this. And whatever is the child of this x layout is going to be pushed into this slot variable in output right here. Now, if we just open index right here, we're going to see the following HTML, and right here is the actual content. Okay, if we try to access /create, dump right now all these nodes. This dnd is a helper function which prints the variable, and it dies right here, so it doesn't continue actually. Now let's open this index and reload, and we're going to see that the variable we're printing is an instance of Eloquent collection, this one, and it has 100 items inside its array, and all of them is an instance of app models node. And we can expand each model and have a look at more details to it. So what I want is to implement also pagination. So instead of getting all 100, I'm going to call paginate So let's use this multi-cursor, and I'm going to pass node variable in these two places. Okay, now this is awesome. Let's go into index blade PHP of our nodes, and we have to work on this file. So I want to focus more on Laravel functionality and not spend time on HTML and CSS. So I'm just going to copy and paste very basic HTML